Just a quick review on quadratic equations. They are equations of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where y and x are variables, and a, b, and c are constants, where a is not 0. As an example, we can have y equals 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. Here, a is 2, b is 3, and c is 1. Here's another example, y equals 3x squared plus 2x. Here, a is 3, b is 2, and c is 0, because you can have plus 0. Here's another one, y equals minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 4. Here, a is minus 2, the coefficient of x squared, b is 2, the coefficient of x, and c is minus 4, because this expression is the same as minus 2x squared plus 2x plus minus 4. I'm just giving you a review because now we're going to move on to linear equations. Now, linear equations are of the form y equals mx plus c. Consider the following equations. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2x plus 5, and y is equal to minus 3x minus 2. So these are 4 equations, and they have one thing in common, at least one thing anyway. They are of this form, y equals mx plus c, where m and c are constants. They're just real number values. They're constants. So for example, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, just constant values. This is 1, by the way. Constant values. And y and x are variables. Here we have the equation y equals 2x plus 1. M, the coefficient of x, in this case is 2. C, the constant value, is 1, plus c plus 1. C is 1. Here, coefficient of x, m, is 3. And c is minus 2. How? Because this 3x minus 2 is the same thing as 3x plus minus 2. Plus minus 2 plus c. In this case, c is minus 2. Moving on to the next equation, we have minus 2x plus 5. The coefficient of x here is minus 2, so m is minus 2. And plus 5 plus c. C is 5. The last equation, minus 3x minus 2. Let's write this in the form mx plus c. So minus 3x plus c minus 2. So in this case here, m is minus 3. The coefficient of x is m, which is minus 3 in this case, plus c plus minus 2. C is minus 2. So all these equations I just listed, 1, 2, 3, and 4, are all of this form, and they're known as linear equations. So linear equations are equations of the form y equals mx plus c, where m and c are constants and y and x are variables. Now, we're going to be looking at plotting linear equations, and we're also going to look at solving equation systems which involve linear equations. So it's important to be able to identify linear equations. So the key thing here is to note that equations that take this form, y equals mx plus c, are linear equations.